Hey Meanderers, we're diving into Guy Fieri's boldest spot in Pigeon Forge, but is it more Flavortown or tourist trap? Hey y'all, I'm Ashley. I make travel videos with a side of sarcasm, mostly focused on Disney, fun local finds, and the occasional cheese-drenched chaos like this. I'm here with my son for a quick stop in Pigeon Forge, and we couldn't resist checking out Flavortown to see if it lives up to the hype. You can't miss this place. Bold colors, arcade noise, and a lot going on. There's a 14-lane duck pen bowling alley, a 10,000 square foot arcade, and at least 4 rubber ducks wearing sunglasses, so you've been warned. We came hungry and we ordered some awesome pretzel bites, buffalo wings, and the bacon mac and cheese burger. We ordered pretzel bites and got this. It was basically pretzel chunks in a hot tub of beer cheese and maple bacon aioli. Unexpected? Yes. Delicious? Honestly, yeah. The wings had a good kick, but the star here was that dipping sauce, blue cheese with wasabi. Yeah, you read that right. Guy Fieri doesn't believe in subtlety, and honestly, respect. This burger is award-winning, and honestly, it earned it. Crispy bacon, 6 cheese mac, crispy onions, and Guy's signature donkey sauce, stacked on a garlic-buttered brioche. It's the messiest burger I've had in a while, and maybe the most satisfying. Was it over the top? Oh, 100%. But that's kind of the point, and when you're at a place called Flavortown, subtlety can wait. We didn't have time to bowl or game, but here's a look at what you can expect if you do. The arcade is massive, 10,000 square feet of flashing lights and button-mashing energy. It's kind of like Chuck E. Cheese on energy drinks, but with more donkey sauce. There's also a full cocktail menu and desserts, but we had a long drive ahead, so we tapped out. We didn't do it all, but we saw enough to confirm Flavortown is exactly what it promises: bold, weird, and completely unhinged. So here's the deal. Flavortown is loud, cheesy, and a little ridiculous, and that's kind of the point. If you're here with kids, teens, or just want a place where the food is bold and the vibes are over the top, it's worth a stop. Would I come back just for the food? Maybe not. But for the full experience, yeah, it's fun. Just know it's not a quiet date night. It's more of a neon bowling alley and also serves burgers and a skillet of cheese kind of vibe. Hit like if you enjoyed the chaos, subscribe if you want more travel reviews with a side of sarcasm, and let me know in the comments, would you go to Flavortown?